Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Mental Performance Coaching, and as you can see, a slight change of attire and scenery today. There's going to be a Christmas theme to the tips over the next 12 days as we count down to the big man visiting. And our aim is to help you make the most of the festive period. So instead of dishing you up some Christmas log, we're going to be giving you a countdown to Christmas vlog. And today's tip is, instead of slowing down as we move towards the Christmas break, speed up.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
Now, over the past few weeks, I've noticed a number of clients and owners have said to me that they're going to get X, Y, Z done early in the new year, which is normal for most of us at this time of year. Yet I'm reminded of a quote from the great Hal Elrod: "Why wait to be great?" A vast majority of businesses at this time of the year take their foot off the accelerator, so to speak, and that may well be amplified this year after the year we've had. Some owners will be thinking, well, we've not had much to celebrate this year, so let's make the most of the Christmas celebrations and we'll get back on track with the business stuff as soon as we reopen our doors in the new year. And that presents a massive opportunity for those businesses that choose not to follow the traditional Christmas approach. Because if you think about it, if some businesses are choosing to slow down and go quiet, it means there's a lot less marketing noise out there, and that means your message can be heard by a lot more people. And the seeds you plant in people's minds now become the green shoots in January. In other words, the people you make contact with now will be in your pipeline in January and not your competitors, allowing you to hit the ground running in the new year whilst your competitors are still getting up to speed and recovering from their turkey, mince pies and Christmas spirits. So make the most of this opportunity. Whilst your competition are laying low, you rise up. Whilst they're slowing down, you speed up. When they zig, you zag. So as a tip, whatever prospecting activity you've got planned between now and Christmas, double it. At the very least, do more of it, and that way you'll be way ahead of your competition at the start of 2021. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for countdown to Christmas tip number 2. Now go out there and make it a cracking day.